Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Welcome to BRWF World Online Training on how to become a researcher. I think this is the continuation of the previous lecture. We are covering lecture 5 and 6. And in the previous lecture, we have covered the what is research or literature gap, how to find it out. And also we have covered our initial discussion on research question. In this lecture, we are going to cover what is hypothesis, how to write the hypothesis for your research, and what is the steps of writing hypothesis, and also other related issues we will discuss in this lecture. So I will give you a quick overview what we have covered in the previous lecture, because this is the continuation of the last lecture. We have already covered these things. Okay, I'm not going to repeat. So we have started here in the last lecture. I will just show you the contents we have covered in the last lecture. Those who are new to lecture 6, I am recommending you to see the previous lecture from the recorded version. And also those who are following online, you can also see it from our YouTube channel, Be Researcher World Forum. Okay. So what was research gap? Can you please repeat with me so that the class will be interactive? What was research gap? It is already written here. I want some interaction with you. Yeah.
A research gap or a literature gap refers to such unexplored or underexplored
I'm
areas
not going to ask you to read it. Explain in your own way.
Okay, sir.
The explanation is here. Yeah. What is research or literature gap?
It is like when we are doing something research, the missing things or insufficient information in our research. That means research gap.
Yeah, in any topic, in any area, if there is something we can contribute, this is we can call research gap or literature gap. Yeah, very simple. We have discussed a lot of things there. So finding a unique research gap is very important, because if you can contribute in an unique gap, then it will be a we can say remarkable or breakthrough research. Okay. So how to find it out? We have also discussed many idea or techniques. The most important thing, you have to read the introduction, conclusion, and future recommendation. You will find that this part of the research article mentioned about their research gap. Okay. Also, you have to find out few keywords like this has not or have not been studied, reported, elucidated, or is required or needed, or is the key question is or remains. It is the important to address. So we have also discussed these things that if you find this kind of sentences in research article, most probably this lines indicates the research gap. So you are lucky if you find this kind of sentences in the research article. So then we have covered what is research questions. We said research questions are the central of research process, because if you have no research question, there is no solution or research to do. So that's why research questions are very important. And we said that research question must be focused, researchable, feasible, specific, complex, and relevant. And also we have discussed how to convert a topic to research question. And we have also demonstrated with many examples, like, just for example, you have a broad topic, women's health, and you have to make it narrowed, like women and cancer. And then again, we have to focus it to breast cancer only. And we linked with the smoking habit. Then we ask the question, is there any association between the cigarette smoking and breast cancer risk? So thus we can develop research question from a broad topic, making it narrowing, and then focus. Then we can consider prepare the research question. So we have discussed this thing. I'm just repeating for your understanding purpose. Those who are new, we can also got the point, inshallah. So then again, we also said that if we have research problem, we can also formulate research questions. And then we discussed that what are the characteristics of good and bad research question. And we also demonstrated you some research question based on different phenomenal perspective. You can say that this research question is good, this research question is bad. We have also discussed this thing as well. And we also have taken a quick quiz on the topic we have studied.